In some countries, most people prefer to rent their homes rather than buying them. What are the advantages and disadvantages of renting a home? In many countries, renting a home is a common choice for individuals and families. While it offers flexibility and convenience, it also has certain drawbacks. This essay will discuss the advantages and disadvantages of renting a home in simple and clear terms. One of the main advantages of renting a home is flexibility. Renting allows people to move easily without the burden of selling a property. This is especially beneficial for those with jobs that require frequent relocation or those who want to explore living in different areas. For example, a young professional may rent a home near their workplace and later move to another city if they get a better job. Another benefit is that renting requires less money than buying a home. Buying a house usually needs a big down payment and a long-term loan. But renting only requires a security deposit and monthly rent. This makes it easier for people to afford a place to live. Example: a university graduate who just started a job may not have enough money to buy a house. Renting allows them to live in a good area without taking a huge loan from the bank. In a home, tenants do not have to worry about repair and maintenance costs. If something breaks, like a leaking pipe or a broken heater, the landlord is responsible for fixing it. This saves both money and stress. Example: if a renter's air conditioner stops working, they can call the landlord to repair it. However, if they owned the house, they would have to pay for the repair themselves, which can be expensive. One big disadvantage of renting is that renters do not own the house. When people buy a house, they are paying for something that will belong to them in the future. But when renting, all the money paid goes to the landlord. Even after paying rent for many years, the house will never belong to the renter. This means they do not build any wealth for the future. For example, if a person pays rent for 10 years, they spend a lot of money, but they still do not own the house. If they had bought a house, that money would have helped them own a property. Asterisk. Another problem with renting is that landlords can increase rent at any time. Unlike homeowners, renters do not have control over how much they pay for their home. If the landlord decides to raise the rent, the renter has no choice but to pay more. If the rent becomes too expensive, the renter may have to find a new home. Moving frequently can be stressful and costly. For example, a family pays $800 per month for their apartment, but after 2 years, the landlord increases the rent to $1,000. Since they cannot afford the higher rent, they are forced to move to a cheaper place, which is inconvenient. Asterisk. Renting also comes with many rules set by the landlord. Some landlords do not allow pets, painting walls, or making any changes to the home. This means renters cannot decorate or modify the house the way they want. They may not feel comfortable because they cannot make the home truly their own. These restrictions can make living in a rented home less enjoyable. For example, a woman loves dogs and wants to adopt one, but her landlord does not allow pets. She feels sad because she cannot have a pet in her own home. Asterisk. In conclusion, renting a home has both good and bad sides. On the one hand, it gives people more freedom and they do not have to worry about repair costs or property taxes. On the other hand, renting does not give long-term security and people may face rising rent prices. Overall, whether to rent or buy depends on a person's financial situation and lifestyle. Both options have their own benefits, so people should choose what suits them best.